I don't think I've ever been this excited to make a YouTube video, but this whole gold hype situation that I've been going on about recently still continues. It absolutely blows my mind. It really does. That I haven't traded gold before with the binary destroyer. And the whole situation is about to get a whole lot better. Let me explain to you the reason why. Now, as you know, I've been trading gold on the 1 minute time frame with the Mogwai strategy. And if you have a look at my success ratio, okay, I'm at 102 winning trades so far in January. Pretty much since I've been trading gold, I have not had a loss on the 1 minute time frame. And yeah, I mean, like I said, it just blows my mind. Anyway, so yesterday I had a few hours to myself and I thought, you know what, let's try a couple of other strategies with the binary destroyer with gold, see how we get on. So I loaded up the AND strategy, 15-minute time frame, and I simulated gold for 2 months, December and January. I've only got 2 months worth of data because that's how long I've been trading gold for 2 months. And yeah, I was absolutely blown away by the results. So blown away that I had to do it 5 other times. I had to do the simulation again and again and again. Just for me to kind of understand. Yeah, just for me to understand kind of what I've just witnessed. So in today's video, I'm going to do exactly that. I'm going to simulate the AND strategy on gold on the 15-minute time frame using a 1-to-3 risk reward ratio. So I'm risking 1% to make 3% profit. Now that's incredible because like I said, you know, if you take 3 trades and you lose 2 of them, so you've lost 2%, you're still winning. You can actually, with that money management, you can actually lose more trades than you can win them and still make profit, okay? It's a great way to trade because you don't really need to be a good trader to have that kind of money management because like I said, when you lose a trade, you lose 1%. But when you win a trade, you're winning 3 times much money back. Now it gets even better because I'm going to be using a 300 pip stop loss and a 1,000 pip take profit. Yeah. So every trade that I'm going to take now with the simulation on the AND strategy on gold, I'm going for a 1,000 pip take profit. And I had to rewind the simulation 5 times for me to sit there and go, why on earth have I never traded gold before with the BD? So let me show you. Right, now as you can see, right, if you don't know what the AND strategy is, it's the only strategy we have with the binary destroyer where it will give you a signal, where the binary destroyer will give you a signal when an arrow meets the rules. So basically, when we trade the Mogwai strategy, you're going to get an alert every time an arrow appears. But it doesn't necessarily mean that it's a trade that we want to take because it's going to give us arrows that are inside the bands, outside the bands. It's just going to give us an alert. With the AND strategy, let me just bring up my charts like this here. With the AND strategy, it will only give us an alert when we get an arrow outside the band. It will only give us an alert when an arrow appears outside the band. And it's the only strategy we have the BD that this happens, right? And it's good because 80% of our analysis is done. You just wait for a notification. You know when an arrow has appeared outside the zone like this. And then you kind of just use some basic support and resistance. Has the RSI gone oversold? If it has, we go for a buy trade. Quite simple. It's a really simple strategy. It's a scalping strategy. It's in and out scalping strategy. The idea with this strategy is you capture small reversals in the market. So like here, see how price goes up like there, then price comes down, price goes up. It's like this, okay? But we're waiting for arrows to appear outside the zone, right? So I've loaded up my simulator now, okay? And like I said, I'm gonna do exactly what I've done in yesterday's video. And yeah, you'll see what I mean, right? So like I said, 15-minute time frame and strategy on gold. As you can see here, we're starting on the 8th of December and we'll go off until we run out of data. I think it's somewhere like the 20th of January. And we'll take every arrow that appears outside the zone. So every signal that the binary destroyer says is an AND signal. We'll take the trade. We'll go with a 300 pip stop loss, 1,000 pip take profit, okay? And we'll use a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio, okay? So 300 pip stop loss like this here and a 1,000 pip take profit. Now just remember, this is gold, right? So when we're trading gold, our stop loss and take profits have to be in the hundreds, okay? Gold works completely different to currency pairs. So you have to factor that in, okay? So my best bit of advice if you're trading gold is this: be sensible with it. Okay, yes, you see me make very fast profits, and it's a bit like cryptocurrency. You can make very fast profits, a lot of pips, very fast, but at the same time you can also lose very, very fast. So the word I would say is be sensible with gold. Use the correct money management, use a stop loss, and just be sensible. You know, afford risk money that you can afford to lose, okay? Because yes, you can make some good profits with gold, but at the same time it can go horribly wrong. So just be sensible with it, okay? So 300 pip stop loss, 1,000 pip take profit, and we're going to use a 1% risk. So 1% risk here. So if we lose a trade, we're losing 1%. If we win a trade, we're winning just over 3% back. So let's just carry on, right? Let's just carry on here. Watch this. Focus on this little figure here, right? Focus on this little figure here. I'll make myself smaller, okay? Hold on. Just waiting for. Let me get my bands. Here we go. Here. So here's the bands. Okay, right. So like I said, we're just going to take every single trade that the binary destroyer says is an AND strategy. So like I said, just keep an eye on also the profits. Keep an eye on also the date as well. Okay. And you will see when I get an AND signal, because it's going to ping at me. Okay. So yeah, this is what I was absolutely fascinated when I seen this the other day. Okay, I think we're going to get a signal here. Okay, we do. Okay, pause it there. Okay, so as you can see here, let me just wind it back like that there. We have an AND signal. Okay, the binary destroyer says, yes, look, we've got a AND signal, 15-minute time frame up. So let's just take a trade. 300 pip stop loss, 1,000 pip take profit. Do we win the trade? Okay, no, we lose the trade. Not particularly bothered. It is what it is, right? This strategy is really, really good. Okay, so we got another signal. Okay, so we got another signal. Let's take this trade. Again, like I said, I'm just going to take the arrows, right? I'm just taking every time the binary destroyer says I've got an alert, which it says here, signal down, you can see just there. It's also giving me an alert for the bands, but just ignore that one. We're just focusing on the when it tells me that there's a signal. So I'm going to take a sell just there. Again, stop loss and take profit. Okay, so we've now lost nearly 2% of the count. We've lost nearly 2% of the count. Not to worry. Like I said, we're using a proper money management here. We're risking 1%, and it doesn't matter because when we win a trade, we're winning a lot more back, 3 times more money back, okay, which is great. Okay, so there's no, oh, here we go, we've got another setup here. So let's take this one here. Again, we're going to take a sell, stop loss, take profit. Oh, that was, okay, there we get stopped out. Okay, so we're now down 3% on the account, 3%. It's not to worry, like I said, you know, it's a proper way of trading, this is. Okay, so. Oh, here we go. Okay, so we've got another signal here. We've got another signal. Now, this is actually a good signal because the RSI has gone over. There we go. The RSI has just gone overbought there, which is good. Okay, so this is a good confirmation. So again, we're going to take a stop loss, 300 pip stop loss, 1,000 pip take profit. Okay, and we win the trade. Now, what's interesting is look at my profit. We've lost, I think, how many trades did we lose? We lost 3, didn't we? We lost 3 trades, right? I take the 4th trade, and look, I'm already in profit now. I've already made profit. I've took 4 trades, I've lost 3 of them, I've still made profit. And this is why this is such an awesome, awesome little strategy on gold, because it's using a proper money management. You know, if you start getting a few wins now, if you get a next win, I get another win, I start increasing that percentage. You'll see here in a minute. Let's see if I get another win. Okay. Okay, so hold on. Ah, hit. Oh, was that? No, that. Okay, no, it wasn't. I was going to thought that was a signal, but no. The binary destroyer said nope, it's not a signal. Ah, there we go. There's a signal. Okay, as you can see here, binary destroyer popped a signal. So there we go. There again. The RSI hasn't gone oversold there, so slightly risky, but I'm not really bothered. So 300 pip stop loss, 1000 pip take profit. Do we win the trade? Yes. Okay, there we go here. Now, this is the next part. Look, right? Look at the percentage I've just made. 3.56%. Right? And this is how you should do it. Right? It's a proper money management. And not a lot of you lot that watch this videos actually uses a proper money management, because I know there's a lot of people out there that don't use a stop loss. Right? Because you don't want to close a trade off in a loss. And I get it. I was there, you know, that kind of like everyone's happy to close a trade off in 5 pips take profit, but then they're happy to go in like 100 pip drawdown, and then they start panicking about, ugh. But this is a proper, no messing about. There's your stop loss. There's your take profit. And it's good as well, because like I said, it's just simple. Here we go. I might get a signal here in a minute. This is a strong downtrend. But we might... No, we're not going to get a signal. No. We're still going. Ah, here we go. Okay, so we've got another signal here. Again, this is a good signal because we have a nice bit of divergence here. This is good. This is a good signal. If you don't know what divergence trading is, right, basically, I'm not going to go in it too much detail. When the RSI does something different to candlesticks, okay, so this is divergence trading. As you can see, the RSI is going further down, price is going sideways, okay. This is a good sell. This is a nice little double top pattern, actually. Look, nice little double top pattern. I wouldn't be surprised if I zoom out. Look, there will be. There you go. Look, so there is a resistance area at this area at the top here. Look at that. Okay, how did I know that? Who knows? Ooh, it's magic. Right, so let's take another sell. Again, 300 pip stop loss, 1000 pip take profit. Do we win the trade? Oh, we get stopped out. Okay, so we lose the trade. Not to worry. Was that a trade? Oh, I don't know if that was a trade. It might be a trade. Let me see. I don't think that was a trade. No, it wasn't. Okay, it wasn't a trade. I thought we had a trade then. Okay, we're actually, look at it. Now we're going into the 3rd of January. So we've gone from the 31st of December now to the 3rd of January. Okay, so this is pretty much where I was trading. I might get a... I thought I was going to get a signal there. No. Ah, here we go. Okay, we've got a nice little sell signal here. Okay, so again, let's take this trade. So again, let's take a sell. Again, just stop loss, take profit. There we go there. Nice. Again, now up 5.5%. Hopefully we get a few more setups. I thought we had a setup there, but we didn't. Okay, we might get a setup. No. We're now on the 12th of January, the 13th of January. Okay, just keep an eye. I think. Oh, there we go. Okay. So we've got another setup there. Again, let's go with 100 pip stop loss, a 300 pip stop loss, 300 pip take profit. There's my stop loss. Oh my God, my take profit is well high on this one. I don't think this trade's going to win. No, it isn't going to win. My take profit was there's another buy signal there. Okay, great. I missed that one. Okay. So we've got a buy signal here. Again, we'll just take a trade, stop loss and take profit. I think this wins instantly. Yeah, look. I mean, there you go. That won literally within 15 minutes. Oh, and then we got another. This is actually a really good setup here. This is a back-to-back setup actually. This, I remember this one in yesterday's simulation. This is a really good break and retouch setup. Look at that. This is a really good look. I mean, look at the resistance here, right? This is how I filter out and signals as well. It's just basic support and resistance. This is really good. Okay, so again, stop loss, take profit. Do we win the trade? That's really unlucky actually. Let me just take it back here, okay? Because in yesterday's training video, I took this to 900 pips. I've actually pushed this to 1,000. Let me just take it back there, right? Because in yesterday's video, I did a 300 pip stop loss and a 900 pip take profit. I didn't actually do 1,000 pips. I've done 1,000 pips just because, you know, it's double. It's like I said, it's 4 figures. I want to see if a 900 pip take profit here wins. Let me just see. Like I said, what I'm showing you here is good. I want to see if a 900 pip take profit here wins. Okay, let's do that trade again, right? I'm going to do that trade again, but instead of a take profit of 1,000 pips, I'm going to do a 900 pips. Now, like I said, we're not going to count this trade, right, at all. We're not going to count it because we'd normally go with 1,000 pips. I'm just still experimenting. 1,000 pips clearly works, as we can see. 300 pip stop loss, 1,000 pip take profit. But I want to see, I believe 900 pips wins. Let me see. Yeah, you see 900 pips wins. So that's interesting. Okay, maybe stick with the 300 pip stop loss, 900 pip take profit. But yeah, let me see if we get any more setups. Oh, we get another setup. We get another setup at the top here. Again, I'm going to stick with a 900 pip take profit. I'm going to stick with a 900 pip. Okay, let's see if we win that one. So this is probably the last trade. Price comes down. Come on, come down. Come down. Oh, come on. That's unlucky. And I believe, there we go, end of simulation. So there we go. Okay, 2 months worth of data from the 7th of December all the way up to the 21st of January. Oh, I want to, we did a 10.4% gain. Now, obviously, with this would actually be a 9% gain because, like I said, the last trade that we took, we had 100 pips, 1,000 pips take profit, which didn't hit take profit. But there you go, right? And this is what I love about this, and this is why I'm so excited, is because it's using a 1-to-3 risk-reward ratio, which means now, right? This is what I love, right? I made a 10% gain. So if I lose the next 9 trades, right? If I lose the next 9 trades in a row, I'm still in profit, right? Now, if you have a consistent strategy, you know, which averages, I don't know, 50, 60% win ratio, you're going to absolutely kill it. Now, there's one big problem with this strategy. One big problem is the 15-minute time frame, and you're taking every single setup. Now, the problem is, unless you're going to be sitting there trading for 24 hours a day, you're not going to be able to take every single setup. You're probably going to be taking a few setups in the day. So what we need to do is automate this into an EA. And I'm probably going to do this. Once the Binary 8.0 is released, I'm going to turn this into an EA. Because why would you not? Right? Like I said, you know, a 10% gain with a 1% risk with a 3% reward. Like 1,000 pip take profit on gold with a 1-to-3 risk reward ratio is insane. Insane. But yes, the success still continues on gold. I just want to show you some of the setups today off the 1 minute time frame. Okay. We had, like I said here, we had a nice little sell just here. Again, the MACD's gone over sold. Just wait for price. In fact, there's a nice bit of resistance area just here. Beautiful break and retest. Look at that beautiful sell at this resistance area. MACD's gone oversold. This one here is unfortunately a loss, because what we do is wait for price to close above the TCA line, which is just there. So unfortunately that trade is a loss. This one here is a winner, because as soon as price closes above the TCA line, which is there, we have a beautiful winner. And again, we still continue. And again, we've got two more setups here. This one here, again, nice little buy, and again, nice little buy. So as you can see there, it still continues on gold, and it probably will continue for the next few months until I decide that I want to probably move on to cryptocurrency or Bitcoin, but who knows. And that is the AND strategy on gold. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions, drop me an email at thebinarydestroyer@gmail.com.